but rather by example. Because that's the type of learning he had from his father. Growing up from work ethics, yung sipag, dedication, even with how his dad takes care of his body, a huge example that molded Davis. Definitely his dad. I asked if there's one thing he told you that you carry in each and every game. What is it? He said, whoever you're competing against, never lower your standard because the real competition is you against yourself. Sa Coach Vic.
Thank you so much, Andrea. Some words of wisdom from Lakay Danny Ay to his son, D.I. Dave Ildefonso, 32-21 in that third quarter. And you work with Dave and that work ethic. Hindi talaga siya, parang natural sa kanya.
It runs in the family. Si Coach Danny ay si Coach Daniel Ildefonso. Kita mo talaga, even nung pandemic, naka-zoom lang kami. Really working. Makikita mo talaga na papawis siya. They're working out, the whole family. Kita mo sa background, talagang they're really working out. Sabi nga, nasa genes eh.
But Coach Danny Ay was still with NU during that time.
Yeah.
But Dave has moved to Ateneo na.
Tapos when Coach Jeff Napa sat for NU, kasama pa rin namin si Coach Danny Ay. That was a pandemic time. So nakikita namin. So pandemic, talagang lahat nasa Zoom. Nagbibigay lang ng workout sa lahat para binabantayan namin. Coach Danny ay talaga was really working out.
And kita sa katawan ni Coach Danny. Shout out sa iyo, Coach Danny. We will be right back after this challenge.
Upon review, the challenge was successful. There was no foul. Ball possession stays.
Successful challenge for Coach JV Olea. There is no foul. Yeah, I have to agree.
Tama naman na nagkakamali rin naman yung mga referees. Hindi naman perfect yung mga yan. Pero hindi nila sinasadya.
(72 to 45). Karangian. Jeremy Mahinay. Masyado malayo to para kay Jeremy. Sends it to the other side. That's the third three para kay Pat Buena. Gusto ko yung role ni Pat Buena eh.
Ano lang siya eh, no? Pull up lang.
Oo. Elorde. Corner, drive. Pabandang tira, hindi pumasok. Karangian to Pat Buena. To another shooter in Roque, in and out. Rebound, nakuha. Roque can't get it to fall. He gets his own miss. Buena. Pat Buena for three. Right between the eyes.
Pull up lang.
Set shot yung tres eh.
Yun yung tinatawag natin piso-piso eh.
Kaya nga eh. Hindi pa masyadong mataas yung talon sa tres. The battle there. Quezon City with a bit of momentum here. Buena has a couple of three-pointers. He'll fire again, Buena. He checked. 4-on-2.
It's going to be an unsportsmanlike foul. Andun na eh.
Could have just he wanted to make sure that there was a foul, but it's tough luck there. I don't think he had intention to hurt,
yes.
but he wanted to make sure na meron yung foul. But that's not the right way though to do it. Unsportsmanlike foul, yeah.
Going to be called for a sportsmanlike foul.
A sportsmanlike foul on number 31, Pat Buena, his second.
Sayang yan because
They're starting to run eh.
No.
May run na yung Quezon City. They're only down by 21 points. Kanina, lobo na yan eh.
it's good para kay Nico Ilorde.
Steady point guard of Abra, Nico Elorde.
ManiPay is the digital wallet built for the community.
So this is our development and Jameson and Kansas.
73-51. Na pinalitan si Buena. Arnie Baldo is in the game. Batino. Ooh.
That was a good pass, good look. Mayencho Serran. Ano sila eh, iba na eh, matagal na silang magkakasama talaga eh.
Jake Agoncillo nearly took Alfred Batino's head off on that foul. Hindi na pa ito, maganda nilalaro. Maganda yung opensa ni Alfred Batino. 16-6. One of his better offensive performances with Abra.
I remember when he was starting with Abra, medyo nag-a-adjust pa siya eh, no? Nung bago.
Oo.
Pero ngayon, talagang ano na siya eh, pulidong-pulido.
Agoncillo against Baldo. Jake, jumper. No. Rebound. Jokno. Oson. Galing. Galing naman nun. Yung Jay Oson, binitbit niya. Inatay niya na lumapit talaga si Alfred.
Para magkaroon ng contact eh.
Oo. Watch this.
Yan.
Pababa, palipad pala siya. Pababa na si Alfred eh.
Nakakatuwa tong Quezon City, no? Talagang ano sila eh, they don't really care about the score, they just play.
78-51. Here comes Serrano.
Kansas is up for number 19.
76-53. Yutok inside Encho, nabitawan ng bola. Hoso taps it to Mahina. It's now with Hoso, the in and out dribble. Hoso to Jokno, well defended by Baldo. Encho Serrano Bumuelo. Yutok for two.
Showtime.
Mahaba pa to. 6 minutes remaining in this ball game. And Salazar will finish.
I thought a while ago, mababa na yung, yung energy ng Quezon City. Pero pinakita nila dito sa fourth quarter, bomba na naman sila eh. Parang hindi napapagod nga eh.
That's number 4 on Jeremy Mahinay. Yung maganda dito is that Abra is playing with a lot of intensity too. Parang hindi rin nagre-relax yung Abra.
Totoo.
Nakikita nga nila sa Quezon City na hindi din tumitigil eh. The relentless din ng Quezon City.
Kasi pag bumaba ka ng konti sa intensity mo, aabutin ka nitong Quezon City kasi they're just playing and playing.
Extreme ang subok at kompleto ang appliances brand ng Pilipinas. Encho Serrano with 12 points. Trinidad is in for Encho Serrano. So 4 homegrown players para dito sa Abra. Sinabayan na sila ni Kuya Alfred Batino nila. Jokno runner, good. 80-57. Nagpo-pressure pa sila dito. Batino nearly lost it on good tap by Baldo. Trinidad is fouled by Agoncillo.
That was a clear foul.
Sayang yun. Ang ganda na sana eh.
Yun yung mga last minute na magsisisi ka eh. Bakit mo final?
Sana hindi si under ako ang coach Vic, sana hindi siya nagalit sa akin.
Pero naman kay Christian, nagagalit ako.
I'm sure magagalit. Well, Trinidad missing the first, second one is good.
24-point lead by the Abra Weavers.
Coach JV Olea sues for time. Jeremy Mahinay, 10 points and 11 rebounds against Sarangani in just 21 minutes of action. Tonight, 6 points, 9 rebounds and 2 assists. Since we're not joking na medyo na-rejuvenate siya dito
Totoo.
with Quezon City.
Actually, yung players talagang you have to give them the break.
Salazar, nice move, kick out, misfires. Salazar, they just don't know when to stop. Quezon City, they have not stopped playing.
They just play, and play. Actually, katulad kanina pinag-usapan natin, they were really running those plays. Talagang natatakbo naman nila. Di lang talaga nako-convert into points. But they're getting those good looks,
Nila
good
dito,
shots.
Ang ganda ng buy-in nila dito kay Coach JV Olea at saka kay Coach Jeff Murillo is helping out in the coaching duties.
Yeah.
Parang assistant coach din siya dito.
And yung veteran yung pagiging veterano ni Jeff Murillo makakatulong talaga. Kita mo, he's shouting from the bench, he's giving instructions to his teammates. Malaking tulong yon para sa kanila.
Baldo missing on the jumper. Yutok with the rebound. We'll go to Baldo. Jumper, yes, got it. Josh Asuncion, first basket of the ball game.
The homegrown talents of Abra.
So, nakikita niyo ang mga players na to dun sa Solid North Cup na nilaro nung December.
What's nice about this players, yung break na nabibigay sa kanila eh. 'Di ba? Who would think that they could play in the MPBL?
Kaya, ganun naman talaga eh. No? Isa rin sa mga kupunan na ganyan. Yung Ilagan Isabela Cowboys eh. Mga homegrown din. A lot of the teams that we have here really living up to that mission na bigyan ng opportunity sa mga young talent na taga doon sa kanilang bayan. To 61. So slippery, Ken's Jokno.
At 3:31, laban pa rin yung Quezon City.
Yeah, even with 20-point lead. Look at this. Baldo, why?
Yeah,
Na ano siya doon ha? Naisahan siya doon ha?
Akala kasi nila magbibigay ng down pick tas lalabas eh. Kinuha niya, binakdoran na lang niya.
Na, kumbaga, yung wise din si Jokno, diretso na siya doon. Wala namang tao doon eh.
That's true. Tsaka nakaharap kasi siya, mukha siya magbibigay talaga ng back pick eh.
They get a steal here. Hoson lays it in. MJ Hoson. It's down to 17. Laban na ng mga homegrown to eh. Yutok. Nakabuelo. Layup. (85-66). Batino still leading this unit here for Abra. Jokno fires a jumper.
This is a very good break for the homegrowns of Abra and Quezon City.
14 in the ball game para kay Ken's Jokno. 85-68. Batino, the sidestep move. Can't get it to fall. Mahinay, little late on the pass. Salazar loses it to Baldo. Short. 2.5 minutes remaining. 14 seconds in the shot clock. It's Clark Derrigue comes back in. I think Mahina's night is done.
Kakatuwa si Jeff Murillo. Talagang inspiring his teammates. He's talking to them, giving high fives, being a veteran.
That's great. Hindi pumasok. Yung tira. MJ Hosson comes away with the loose ball. Hosson will fly. Ooh! But nandun ang kanyang kakape na si Salazar for the stick back. It's just 15 ang lamang dito ng Abra. They will, kunting pamagaw. Harley Baldo fouled on the way to the cup.
Actually, matagal pa yan. 2 minutes. 2 minutes, 4 seconds. Yung mga ganyan sitwasyon, di ba? Nagdadalawang isip ko, magbabalik ba ako ng ko o iiwan ko na sa mga players na mga homegrown ko yung Yun siguro iniisip ni Coach Yong. Pero
Well, they have to they have to feel the pressure here right now. Kung para sa Abra na yung homegrowns nila, kailangan din na maramdaman. There's no better way than to do this here in the preseason.
Yeah, no better way of learning how to, di ba,
Navigate these points of the game.
Get out of the situation. A lot of learning.
Hosson gets it to Jokno. He'll drive. Travel.
Ganda sana nun.
Yung half step, same foot landing, hindi pwede yan. Dinemo pa ni referee Francisco. Under 2 minutes to play. Baldo gets it across. Yutok to Batino. Yutok layup short. Hosson with a rebound. Nagmamadali. MJ Hosson. Salazar from the corner. That doesn't go in.
Sayang, dalawa sila.
Rosillo with a recovery. Clark Derrigue for 3. Look at that with the rebound.
Parang off ngayon si Clark. Usually it makes those kind of shots mga tira na yan ni Derrigue.
Baldo got it. Harley Baldo with a 3. His 4th point of the night. Final minute of this ball game. Abra will take the victory here, pero we are seeing a lot of good things from this Quezon City Black Bulls team. Jokno.
Very promising Quezon City team here.
Marami silang nabito. Mga palaban ng mga player. Yung palaban in a good way.
Yeah, totoo yun.
Ang dami mga pitbull dito. Pat Bueno. Andun pa rin ang kamay ni Pat Bueno. 5-3 na yan.
Walang
Pat Buena, sorry.
Galing pa sa galing pa sa bench siya.
Oo. Doesn't look like they are going to foul here anymore. But Quezon City making a good account of themselves in this duel with the reigning MPBL. Sumabay pa dun sa sa homegrown unit nitong Abra. He was in there from start to finish. Si Kuya Pats. Alfred Ryan Batino. Cebuano big man making his presence felt from start to finish for Abra. 88-73. We'll go to Andrea now.
Maraming salamat sa Del. First of all, Ken, congratulations. You were there in this game from start to finish. Mukhang pagod na pagod ka nga ngayon. Kamusta ka after this game?
Ito, magpapahinga na siguro ng wala mo nang gagawin makarecover kasi may back-to-back games kami sa 23 tsaka sa 25.
most of your teammates mentioned, even the coaches, na you're still working on the team chemistry, binubuo nyo pa yung team right now. But after this win, after this really good win, masasabi mo ba na marami pa kaming dapat i-look forward mula sa Abra?
Opo, kasi parang ang dami namin bago, tapos yung chemistry medyo nangangapa pa. Before mag-start yung preseason, parang ilang araw lang din kami nag-practice. So, ayun na nga, yung mga natitira, yun, intact na yun. So, kailangan namin ipasok sa chemistry yung mga bago. So, pasensya lang kami sa mga bago.
Ken, yung pagbabad mo sa court tonight, planado ba yun?
Sakto lang.